Hey everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where we turn complex problems into simple, powerful Excel tools. For the past 16 years, we've helped businesses save time, money, and effort by automating tedious tasks. Every week, we hear from clients who say our tools have transformed their workflow. You can check out our 130-plus 5-star Google reviews to see how much of a difference they've made. Today, I'm excited to introduce a tool that'll make payroll processing for delivery drivers effortless, our Delivery Driver Pay Tracker. Whether you run a delivery business, courier service, or transportation company, this tool simplifies payroll for drivers paid per mile. Like all of our tools, this one requires no installation or coding. Just open Excel and start working. The tool integrates with Google Maps API to automatically calculate trip distances and generate payroll reports in just a few clicks. Let me walk you through how it works step by step. First, after downloading the tool, you'll need to enter your Google Maps API key in the Settings tab. This allows the tool to calculate distances automatically. We've included step-by-step instructions linked in this video to help you set up your API key if you haven't done it before. Next, go to the Drivers tab, where you'll enter your list of drivers and their pay rates. The tool allows for two options: a default per mile rate that applies to all drivers and customized rates for individual drivers. If some drivers have different pay structures, you can enter their specific rates here. You can also set free miles, where drivers receive a fixed payment for the first few miles before per mile pay kicks in. This flexibility makes it easy to match your business's payroll policies. Once drivers are set up, head over to the Trips tab to enter trip details. Each trip entry includes the trip date, client name, driver name, pickup address, and drop-off address. The driver name field is important. If you've set up custom pay rates in the Drivers tab, the tool will automatically apply the correct rate for each trip. After entering the trip data, click the Calculate Trip Data button. The tool will then connect to Google Maps to retrieve the driving distance and time for each trip. This process happens automatically, so you don't have to look up distances manually. Once the calculation's complete, you'll see updated trip details with total miles driven for each trip. Now it's time to generate the payroll report. Click the Generate Payrolls button, and the tool will create individual payroll sheets for each driver. These reports display total mileage, total trips, and total earnings, making it easy to review payment calculations. The tool ensures payroll accuracy and eliminates the need for manual mileage tracking, saving you hours of work. Finally, once payroll reports are ready, you can export them as PDFs for easy sharing. In the Settings tab, you can choose where to save the PDF files. After selecting your preferred save location, open the payroll report, and you'll see a clean, well-organized document ready to send to drivers or your accounting team. This tool is designed to make delivery driver payroll tracking fast, accurate, and stress-free. You can download the Delivery Driver Pay Tracker using the link in the description. If you need a custom version tailored to your workflow, we've got you covered. Contact us via phone, email, or live chat. No bots, just real support when you need it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe for more Excel automation tools. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.